The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, appliances, and other objects embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity capabilities that enable them to collect and exchange data over the Internet. These devices, often referred to as smart devices, are typically equipped with sensors, processors, and communication hardware that allow them to interact with the environment and communicate with other devices. The concept behind the IoT is to create a seamless network where these connected devices can communicate with each other, share data, and perform various tasks without human intervention. By connecting everyday objects to the Internet, the IoT aims to enable greater automation, efficiency, and convenience in various aspects of our lives. Some common examples of IoT devices include smart home devices like thermostats, security cameras, and smart appliances, wearable fitness trackers, industrial sensors used for monitoring and optimizing processes, and smart city infrastructure such as traffic monitoring systems and intelligent streetlights. The potential benefits of the IoT are vast. It has the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, agriculture, transportation, and manufacturing by providing real-time data insights, automation of processes, and improved decision-making. For example, in healthcare, IoT devices can enable remote patient monitoring, smart pill dispensers, and personalized health tracking. In agriculture, IoT sensors can be used to monitor soil moisture levels and optimize irrigation, while in transportation, connected vehicles can communicate with each other to enhance safety and reduce traffic congestion. However, along with its benefits, the IoT also presents challenges in terms of security, privacy, and interoperability. As more devices become connected, ensuring the security and privacy of the data transmitted and stored by these devices becomes crucial. Interoperability among different IoT platforms and devices also needs to be addressed to enable seamless integration and communication between devices from different manufacturers. Overall, the Internet of Things has the potential to transform the way we live and work, enabling a more connected and intelligent world where devices and objects collaborate to improve efficiency, convenience, and our overall quality of life.